I do have a new intro again. I feel like I just needed something, you know, short and simple and sweet and just get straight to the video. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy as hell right now, but as you can tell from the title, we will be doing a get ready with me. So I'm going to be doing my makeup. Not really nothing too in-depth because I want to do a different type of video. But anyway, yeah, video. So without further ado, we're gonna begin this video. So I'm standing up today because I feel like when I sit down, it's like I have bad posture, so it just looks weird, you know, sometimes. If you want to know, if you like my headband and you want to know where to get it from, I got this from Bougie Hair Queens on Instagram, and yes, I do customize it. You know, if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at a mirror, or this way, I'm looking at a mirror. Just to let you know. So like I said, let's just get shit into the video. I already washed my face and everything, so yeah. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Skin Fat Water Toner. I'm just gonna take, oh, my hands are so dry. Is it open? Oh, is it open? I'm just gonna take some of this, rub it on my hair, and rub it on my skin. I think I took too much. I really think I took too much. Okay. So I'm gonna apply moisturizer and everything on my face when I start my face. Right now I just want to do my eyes. I don't like moisturizer and stuff on my eyebrows because it makes my eyebrows like, you know, oily. I'm talking like I'm doing like a whole real video that's just supposed to be a get ready with me. So, you know, I do have an eyebrow tutorial because I will be speeding this up. So if you want like an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, check out my channel. Yeah, I honestly can't be on camera to do my eyebrows. I will be right back. Okay, now that my brows are due and I set my face, I set my eyes for what I'm about to do. So I'm thinking I want to do a little bit of eyeshadow today. I'm wearing beige. You're gonna see that too. I just want to do like a little soft brownish type of look, you know, just to give my face some pop from my like everyday thing. So I'll be using the HUDA Beauty Obsessions palette. So this is the warm brown Obsessions palette. It looks like this. So I'm probably gonna be using I don't even know which shades I want to use. Probably this brown. I really love this brown. As you can see, it already like hit pan. I love this brown, and probably like this other one up here. I'm gonna just do some. Y'all gonna see what I do. And I'm going to be using my Morphe brushes. So yeah, let's just get into that. I really love this because you could like do your eyeshadow and have like the mirror right there, and this is such a cute mirror, very clean, very, you know, I could see everything. So I'm just gonna go in with my M504 brush with that same brown that I was talking about, and just go like in my crease and just like all up on there on my arch. with this brown and just blend everything together because I really love this brown. And yeah, I'm just gonna make that like that. I just wanted some color on my lid, you know, nothing too fancy, nothing too colorish, you know. So I am still debating. I think I'm gonna use this for today. That's my little mirror. I'm still debating if I want to do liner, because like I want to do liner but then I don't, like, you know, like I probably just want to do a little line. I don't know, should I do like a little line or should I do like my full-on wing liner? I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. Like, I'm trying to like look. I'm looking at myself to like see like when I put my hair down. I don't know what I want to do. I honestly don't know what I want to do. Okay, let's just do like a little line for now. Oh. No, that would be a thick line. I don't know. So for blush, I'm using NARS Orgasm on this blush brush or whatever. I love this. I don't really like blush, but like J'adore palette, and I think I'm gonna use the same shade that looks almost like the same Orgasm. I don't want nothing too gold today. Not feeling the gold. I am taking this lip gloss off because I'm put a little bit on my forehead like that. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe M124 brush and just put some of this under here. I really look like I'm going to the club or something, but this is just like a, you know, I'm gonna be wearing this like all day, so I don't think it matters a little bit. I hope the sun really does not spread out my makeup. So I'm gonna be using my MAC Cork liner and my MAC, I'm gonna go over with my MAC lip gloss in the color Lust. I really wanted to put on lipstick, but then I don't know. So I'm gonna do my lashes and hair and stuff off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and give you some dates about what I'm gonna be wearing today. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. I have to like step back so you can kind of like see my shirt a little bit. I should, like... Anyways, I'll insert like little pictures and clips of me wearing this shirt. But I got this shirt from Flirty Gal on Instagram. I will have the link below. I will have the screenshot of the Instagram right here for you to go and check out their Instagram. I feel like the clothes are really cute, really affordable. The Instagram is really transparent. Let me tell you. Like a strappy type of thing back out. I don't know if I can see that, but my back is out, all of it. Yes, I love it. Even though I got some rolls, but that's okay. That's okay. Anyways, yes, Flirty Gal on Instagram is like a new little cute chic boutique. They sell affordable cute outfits. I got 2 outfits from them so far. I got this top and then I got a 2-piece outfit, and it was not expensive at all. The Instagram is very transparent. She has like all the pictures of the outfits, and she has all the prices below, sizes, everything, so you know you don't have to be like guessing and all of that good stuff. I would recommend everyone to check them out and buy yourself something cute, you know, even though we didn't really have no summer, but you know, you still, there's hope. So anyways, let me come back closer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today with a get ready with me. Yeah, like I said at the beginning, it was gonna be nothing too in-depth, because I will be going over like my foundation routine, my updated foundation routine soon, and all of that good stuff. So if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your post notifications so you can know every time I post. I'm trying to be consistent with this thing. I'll say it every video, like I'm trying to be consistent, like, you know, just give me some time, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun doing your makeup with me today, and see you guys next time on the next video. Okay, bye.